Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And going on almost 4 years living full-time in my Class C RV with my martial arts cat Ninja and 99% of the time boondocking like we are now in the National Forest somewhat near Flagstaff, Arizona. But I've got a busy day ahead. Getting propane, getting water, dumping trash. Going to be picking up a package and do an unboxing to see what is inside. And going to be trying to wash the Jeep since it's absolutely filthy. And then we're going to go get an estimate for a car alarm. So busy day ahead. Nothing too exciting, but just typical errands in the life of a RV nomad. So join me. Okay, it's Tractor Supply Company time. Time to get some propane refilled in one of my tanks. And if nobody's back here, I'll have to get on the app and request a refill. Yep, looks like that's what I'm going to do. Propane time. Okay. Let's look for the stereo shop. There it is. I'm going to get an estimate to have them put in an alarm. One spot open just for me. Alright, gonna give this baby a exterior wash. Got an estimate for a Viper alarm system installed that would make my windows automatic windows instead of manual just under $500. So, I mean, I gotta do it. Thing with these Jeeps is anybody could pop the hood on a Jeep. There's no locks. So this alarm would be connected to the hood. So let's get out and get busy. Okay, I'll be opening up the package. Look what I found in the parking lot. A Visa card. Tell me what you would do with it. It's right in front of my mailbox store. I could have gave it to them and they could have put it in their safe, they told me. But I'm sure this customer has already called it in as lost or stolen. But what I'm going to do is call the number on the back, let them know I found it. In case the customer hasn't called in this way to put a stop on anybody from maybe having written down the number and trying to fraudulently use it. Let's check out the package. So down there on the floor, you can see the first package I opened. Then it contained this one, so I opened that. Now it's got this one. Oh my gosh. How many packages did they want it to have? They're all like that bubble. Okay, very cool. I was expecting this. This is a flashlight from Wurkkos. I've done a review on another one of their flashlights before that I love. And this one is a new one that's coming out. So we'll do the unboxing here. This is the HD02, again from Wurkkos. Let's see, 3,200 lumens, 330 meter beam, I'm guessing. Green laser, 365 nm UV. I'll have to look that up. Here's some stats on it if you want to pause. So this is the unboxing for this guy, and we'll open it up at a later time and test it out at night. All right, well now the Jeep is no longer filthy, it's just a little dirty. Now, unless you do a hand wash, it's never gonna come all the way. Well, there's an RV in my way. Hopefully they're on their way out soon. Here to get free potable water to drink and anything else in the RV, and to throw out my trash. Speedways offer free dump stations for RVs, and also have water, but this is the only one of the 3 or 4 speedways in town that the water is potable. So we'll see how long it takes this RV before they get out of the way. And then there's a car. So, oh well, gotta be patient. Alright, we're here at Domino's. Well, the water held on thanks to those 2 new straps I got. Tie downs or ratchet straps from Tractor Supply Company. And let's go inside and eat some pizza, and we'll do an unboxing of that flashlight real quick. Okay, so helps if I put it right. Look at her. I came up to here to eat a slice of pizza. She jumped on the thing and she was eating it out of my hand. So this is the Wurkkos HD02 that they provided me for no charge. That was free 99. So let's open the box. Okay, so I easily pulled this out of the box. Has a little readme. Talks about needing to take out the paper discs that prevent the battery from running right now. A user's manual. USB-C, or probably charging for it. Then it looks like a lanyard. And now the light. See if I can get this unwrapped. So there we go. This thing is heavy. I mean, really heavy. Very sturdy material, it seems like. And there we go. Yeah, this weighs about as much as my semi-auto pistol that I carry. Anyway, now you've gotten to look at it, and we'll go into features and review in a couple weeks. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel. And if you haven't been a subscriber yet, or are not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is now a couple of times a week. Trying for Wednesdays and Saturdays, but don't hold me to it. So go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active.